Just had a Klarna application declined and not sure why. In this video, I'll explain the most common reasons for rejection and what you can do to improve your chances next time. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. A rejection can be frustrating, but it's often due to a few specific and fixable issues. Klarna's automated system makes decisions based on the data available to it. First, the system might have detected a discrepancy in your personal information. This includes a mismatch in your address, an invalid phone number, or you may not have met the minimum age requirement. Second, it could be related to your financial snapshot. This includes having too many recent hard inquiries on your credit report, a very low credit score, or a high debt-to-income ratio. Finally, it could be specific to your Klarna history. This includes having multiple outstanding Klarna purchases already, a previous missed payment with them, or this particular purchase amount being too high for your current approved limit. A crucial pro tip: if you're rejected, don't immediately reapply for the same purchase. Wait a while, ensure all your profile information is accurate, and consider using a debit card for a few on-time payments to build your history before applying for credit again. And just like that, you're equipped with the knowledge to address a rejection. Use it as feedback to improve your financial standing for future applications. Have you successfully been approved by Klarna after a previous rejection? Share your tips in the comments. To understand the big picture, watch our next video on how Klarna decides your spending limit. Thanks for watching.